So just an update on our 2 breeding sows here. Noop, the small one.
Noop stands for new
New
pig.
pig. We're real creative at this point.
That's Sally's daughter.
Yes. So Noop had a litter of, was it 11? And they are so cute. And they look like they're doing great.
So these are 25% Hereford, 25% Tamworth, 50% Berkshire piglets. So we have a video, we'll post at the end of this video on hybrid vigor.
Well, all purebred animals are inbred by definition. And so when you outcross from that, you experience this hybrid vigor where the babies have higher mortality rate, or sorry, lower mortality rate, a faster growth rate. They're just healthier, more vivacious piglets. And those first generation crosses should also be better mothers, which is why we kept Noop. She's a first generation cross, so she's half Hereford, half Tamworth. And I couldn't ask for a better mother. 11 piglets, she fared them all by herself at night in the rain and kept them all alive. So she's doing a great job.
And she's calm, docile. Yeah, hasn't crushed one yet.
Yeah, you're okay, Mama. Even her runts look.
Yeah, even the runts are like really vibrant and active. Mm-hmm. This one here.
Yeah. Nice sleepy. Alright, so Sally should go anytime, so make sure you follow and we'll share with you guys when Sally has her litter. It should be any time now.